If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our fourth question. What is that? A cylindrical mug of radius 5 centimeter and height 9.8 centimeters. Then what is that here is full of water, a solid in the form of right circular cone mounted on hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere. Then what is that? Is immersed into the mug. The radius of hemisphere will be equal to 3.5 centimeter. So this is the radius from this point to this is the radius. That radius will be equal to R will be equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then cone radius is also equal to 3.5 centimeter and height of the conical part. So this is the height. What you can say? This is the height. Then height of the cone will be equal to 5 centimeter. Then what is that? Find the volume of water left in the tub. So this is the thing. So here pi is equals to 22 by 7 they are asking us to take. So what is this? The tub radius will be equal to, what is the radius of the tub? From this point to this point. So this is the radius. Radius will be equal to 5 centimeter. Then what is its height? The height of the tub will be equal to, h will be equal to 9.8 centimeter. So actually we need to find what are the volumes of the water. So let's going to take volume of the tub. So after immersing this into the mug or tub, then what is the lefting over the tub? So water left from the tub will be equal to, so volume of water left from the tub will be equal to, what you can say, volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. So this is the thing. So volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Then what you can say here is the formula will be volume of the water left in the tub. So volume of water in the tub after removing water from it. So water in the thing, what is that? Total volume, that is volume of water in the tub, previously volume of the water in the tub after left some water, that will be equal to total volume of the water, that is total volume minus of volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. So this is the thing. So let's going to find what is the volume of total volume of the water in the tub. So first case is what? So let's going to take total volume of the tub. V total of the water, total volume is what? At the first stage, what is the volume of the cylinder? That is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. At how it's came here is cylinder with a circle at the top. This area is extended up to h. For that area of the circle is r square and h is that one. So 22 by 7 into r is equals to what? The radius of this one is 5 square into height is nothing but 9.8 centimeters. So what is this here? So let's going to take 9.8 into 22 into 25 into 9.8 by 7. So 9.8 by 7 will you do means what answer will we get? That is 1.4. So 7 ones are, then 7 ones are, then 0.2 will be 4s are 28. So 1.4 into 25 into 22. What is that? 770 centimeter cube. So this is the volume, total volume at initial one. So total volume of water. The next one, what you can say here is volume of the cone. Let's going to take it volume of cone. So let's take it this one. Volume of the cone. Volume of cone will be equal to, it is the 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So 1/3 of volume of the cylinder means 1 by 3. You can say 1 by 3 pi r square h. So what is the height? 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into r square is nothing but radius of the cone will be equal to, what is that? 3.5. 3.5 whole square into height. Height is what? So for this cone, height is nothing but 5. So height is what? 5. So let's going to take this one will be 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 5. So 3.5 is nothing but 7 ones are 7, 0.75 are 35. So let's take it this one as 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 5. So let's move on to this 3.5 into 5. What is that? 3.5 into 5, it is 1 by 3 into 22 into 0. So 0.5 into 3.5 into 5, 17.5. So let's take it this one. So this is not there, this is upper side. So actually it is upper side. Let's take it this one as it is here. So this is the value we need to take. So 17.5 into 0.5, what answer we will get? 8.75 into 22 by 3. So 8.75 into 22, what is the answer? So answer is 192.5 by 3. So let's going to cancel it. 3 ones are, then 3 6 are 18. Then what answer we will get? 3 6 are 18 by 18. Then 4s are 12 point 1s are, put it 1s are, then 2 will be the remaining 26 are, again 26 are, it will come it as like that. So the 64.166 centimeter cube. So we need to add both of that, hemisphere and cone values, we need to add it. The next one, what is that? Volume of hemisphere. So it is a combination, the shape is like this. The combination will be like this. So for that we need to find volume of the cone and volume of the hemisphere. Both if you add, then only the volume of the water left from the tub we need to get. So hemisphere will be equal to, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So why? Because hemisphere, the hemisphere is the half of the sphere. For that 4 by 3 pi r cube volume for the sphere, in that half means 2 by 3 pi r cube for there, what you can say, hemisphere. So 2 by 3, 22 by 7 into r is nothing but 3.5 whole cube. So that will be equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 whole square into 3.5. So this one 7 ones are, then 7.5s are. So let's move on to this and calculate it. So what is this? 22 into 22, 44 into 3.5 whole square will be 3.5 whole square. What answer we will get? That is 12.25 into 0.5, 12.25 into 0.5 whole divided by 3. So that will be equal to 12.25 into 0.5. We will get it as 6 point. So 44 into, what is that? 6.125 whole divided by 3. So 6.125 into 44, what answer we will get? 269.5, 269.5 by 3. So let's going to cancel with the 3. So 3 ones are, then what answer we will get? So let's take it this one. 3 ones are, then 3, what is that? 3 8s are 24, 10 by 3 9s are, here 1 will be, 2 will be, 3 9s are 27, then point, put it point, and 3 8s are 24, again it will come it as, so 1 will be 10, 3 3s are. So let's take it this one as, what is that value? 89.83 centimeter cube. So this is the volume. Let's find out this one. Again, what is the conditions here? So let's take it here. So let's take, what is the total volume water left in the tub? So volume of water left in the tub will be equal to total volume of the water, total volume of water at initial 1 minus of, you need to combinedly subtract from the, so volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So total volume of the water, what is that total volume? So we are already calculated, that is 770. So what is the total volume? That is 770 minus of volume of the cone, that is, what is that? 64.16. So 64.16 plus, then finally what is that? 89.83. So 89.83. So let's going to subtract these values. 64.16 is nothing but 17. Let's take it 17 again. 89.83. We will get it as 154. So 154. 770 minus 154. 770 minus 616 centimeter cube, that is the values. So it is left in the tub. Therefore, water left in the tub after, so let's going to take after immersing this one, water left. After immersing, water left in the tub is equal to 616 centimeter cube volume. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.